Hello, I'm James George and this is Web Design Blog, and today I'm going to show you the Divi drag and drop WordPress theme builder. This is pretty cool. It's by Elegant Themes, and one of the things that you can do is drag and drop your page layouts now to create any kind of content that you want. And this is really awesome. It's a new theme by Elegant Themes, and it makes page building really easy inside of WordPress. And so what you're going to do is you're going to install the Divi Wordpress theme by Elegant Themes and create a new page. And inside the page editor, besides the normal editing capabilities, you'll have a button here that says use their page builder. And so you click that and up comes this menu. And you can either save a layout, create a new layout, or clear the current layout. And so when you load a layout, you have different options such as home page store, contact page, all kinds of different already pre-made layouts. And so from there, I've already loaded the home page shop layout. And these little lines right here mean edit. And so from here, you can edit what each module is going to look like. It's basically a modular setup. And so each one of these little things here is a slide. And so I created a slide that says, welcome to myvectorfile.com. Download anything you want. And there's the slide image, the background image for the slide, and there's the background color in case you didn't use an image. You could use video, choose the alt text if you did an image. You can do all kinds of stuff, and from here you have your WYSIWYG editor where you could do like a short message or something like that. And then so you hit save, and then you'll go to your next slide and create it. And I created a subscribe slide. It says join now, and the button URL would go to like your sign up page or whatever, where people could sign up for your mailing list. And I chose not to have a background image, but to use a purplish kind of background color. And of course it has the WYSIWYG editor here as well. And so from here, you know, after you have all your slides and everything set up, you can determine if you want to show the arrows, show the controls or hide those, use a parallax scrolling effect, you know, basically all that stuff. And so that will be automatically built in. And so if you view the page the way it is, which might take a second here for it to come up, but there's my logo, there's my page, there's a slide with the scrolling effect, and these are the other modules that you'll see when you go further down the page here in the editor. There's a shop. We don't have anything set in the products, so there's not going to be a shop section on there. But then you have your modules, like your call to action, which you can see right here, your 2 call to action modules. And then you have text and shop, and then a final call to action. And so you can see there's your sign up today for instant access. That's the last call for action. And this is all set up here to be drag and drop. So let's say you wanted to add another full width section. You can it added this section here, so you just click this add section and then insert columns. You can say, well, I want to make this 1 column, and then it says insert modules. So from here you have all these to choose from. You can choose an image, call to action, text, a blurb, tabs, another slider, testimonials, subscribe, pricing tables, a portfolio. So let's say you know, you could add parts from your blog. and say, well, I want to show 4 posts. Layout, full width. Well, let's do grid. And let's see, show featured images, show excerpt, or don't show excerpt. You can show excerpt or the full content. Show author, don't show author. Show date, show the categories, pagination, all that stuff, and hit save. And so I don't have any posts on here, but when you update the page, it's going to update the content as well. And so, like here, it would have the blog section where you have a grid of blog items. But like I said, I don't have any blog items, so it's not going to show up. But it just shows how easy it is to drag and drop and build a responsive layout in a matter of seconds. And it just makes it easy to go back and edit and insert sections and do all that. And so if you want to add another module, you could say, you could create animated counters and set the percentage and stuff like that. That's a common thing right now. And it just makes it really easy to drag and drop and create your own stuff. So I urge you to check out the new Divi theme by Elegant Themes. It's a very interesting and very cool concept that they've created, and it's in my opinion, it's a game changer for creating layouts quickly. I'm James George, and this is Web Design Blog.